Welcome to Turbo Truth. Today, we're exploring one of India's most iconic and trusted family hatchbacks, the Maruti Suzuki Wagon R. With its tall boy design, impressive cabin space, and unmatched practicality, the Wagon R has become a household name for over 2 decades. The latest generation continues to carry this legacy forward with new features, better performance, and great value for money. The Wagon R's signature tall boy stance is more than just a design choice, it's a practical solution for maximizing interior space. The front fascia now looks smarter with a sleek grille and angular headlamps, while the dual-tone option in higher variants adds a modern touch. Despite its compact footprint, the Wagon R offers ample room inside, thanks to its boxy and upright proportions. Step inside, and you're greeted with a spacious, airy cabin that offers unmatched headroom and legroom in its segment. The dashboard is neatly laid out with a 7-inch SmartPlay Studio infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Rear seat comfort is impressive, and boot space is more than sufficient for daily use and weekend getaways. Maruti has also equipped the Wagon R with power windows, central locking, steering-mounted controls, and dual airbags for safety. Under the hood, the Wagon R offers 2 engine options, a 1.0-liter and a more powerful 1.2-liter petrol engine. Both engines are BS6 compliant and available with manual or AMT gearboxes. There's also a CNG variant for those who prioritize fuel savings. The Wagon R delivers impressive mileage, often crossing 23 km/h on petrol and 34 km per kilogram on CNG, making it ideal for budget-conscious drivers. In summary, the Maruti Suzuki Wagon R stands tall as a reliable, economical, and spacious hatchback for Indian families. Whether it's city commutes or occasional long drives, it does everything with ease. Stay tuned to Turbo Truth for more real-world car reviews that keep it honest and simple.